This is Module 3 Practice, Bristle Bots by Nicole Shoemaker for ACTE 655 Integrated STEM. So this project began by building the basic Bristle bot. Follow the directions, use the materials you're given, and you end up with a bot like the one pictured at the bottom center that behaves roughly like this, moves around in a circle because of the vibration caused by the motor spinning. The question was, how does the Bristle bot work? What are the essential parts? What modifications can you make? And what materials do you have that you could use in a redesign? So the Bristle bot works with a basic circuit connecting a battery and a motor. The motor spinning causes the bot's motion. The battery, the motor, and some type of body are the essential parts, but the body could be just about anything. I was thinking I could modify the body to change the way that the bot moved, whether it spun in a circle, whether it covered a greater distance, and what direction it moved in. And the materials I had at home: toilet paper tubes, popsicle sticks, straws, skewers. So I imagined the possibilities to add some different kinds of legs to make it stable, to make it move in a different way. The circular spinning was kind of what I was hoping to get rid of. I kind of envisioned being able to race the bots if we could get them to go forward. So my plan was to add some distance and change the motion by adding some type of leg. I decided to go with straws instead of the pipe cleaners. And so my bot ended up looking like this after it had been modified. And when I first tested it, it wanted to flatten out. The weight of the bristle head was pushing the legs down, but a little hot glue allowed me to get those legs to stay vertical. And then he was able to move around a little bit better on his straw legs. Still had some spinning, and he was kind of moving backwards. I guess I would turn the motor around to get him to move forward. For my improve then, I wanted to think about another way to change the body, and I decided to kind of go all the way down to just the battery and the motor, and I wanted a body maybe with some wheels, so of course I went directly to Legos. So I ended up with a bot that looked like a little cart, and when I ran the motor on the little Lego cart, it still had some kind of circular motion, but I did get some pretty good forward motion. Sometimes it needed a little nudge. It would get stuck on something on the table. But I got more of kind of a cart, a go-kart that I could possibly race if I wanted to. I thought the Bristle bot was a fun activity. I definitely enjoyed the modification piece, and I can see how it fits the idea of our STEM principles.